In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rectangles in Google Slides. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens after all. Once that's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the sign in button. If you're not signed into your Google account already, you'll need to go ahead and do that. Click on sign in, choose your account from the list, and enter your password when prompted. Then hit next to proceed. Now we're going to access Google Slides. If you look to the upper right corner of your Chrome window again, you'll notice a small grid of square dots. This grid is your gateway to all things Google, and it contains a slew of useful applications. Click on it to reveal the menu, then scroll down until you find Slides. Once you do, click on it to open. Now that you're in Google Slides, it's time to choose the presentation you're working on, or start a new one if that's the plan. Find the file you need in your list and click on it to open your presentation. Once inside, navigate through your slides to find the one where you want to add a rectangle. Next, to add a rectangle, you'll need to utilize the tools in the main toolbar, which is located at the top of your screen. Scan the toolbar for the shape icon. This usually appears as a symbol of a circle overlapping a square, but if you hover over it, it should simply say shape. And once you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. When you click the shape icon, you'll see a drop-down menu with different categories. You'll want to hover over the first category, aptly named Shapes. This is where you'll find the rectangles. From the submenu that appears, click on the rectangle option, which is represented by a solid square icon. Now, watch your cursor because it's going to transform into a crosshair, appearing as a small plus sign. This change indicates that you're ready to draw on your slide. Move your cursor to the slide area where you want the rectangle, click your mouse button, and then drag it. As you drag, you'll see a rectangle form. Continue dragging your mouse until the rectangle reaches the desired size and position you want it to appear on your slide. Once you're happy with the size, simply release the mouse button, and there you have it, a rectangle perfectly placed on your slide. Remember, you can always adjust the size or move it around later by clicking on the rectangle and using the handles that appear. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment until you're comfortable with the process. And there you go. That's how you add rectangles in Google Slides.